Now that we have gotten to the point of getting our example problem done, we're going to move on to what's actually way more important, which is electric potential, or V. Sometimes we just call it potential when we're lazy, but electric potential, which is really about the possibility or the potential to store electric potential energy. Um, this sounds really crazy, but this is like the idea that if you instinctively understand that there would be more energy stored if you were to raise an object higher than it was initially. But if you don't have an object there, you would still recognize that higher up would have more energy. And that's what we're going to be talking about for electric potential because it's super helpful. Um, Again, that's basically telling you how much energy there would be if 1 coulomb of charge was located at that spot. Okay. Now, this equation is pretty straightforward that the electric potential is just the electric potential energy divided by the charge that's in the field, experiencing the field. Um, so that will help you with identifying what everything is. And we can move on to say that the value of electric potential is 100% calculable. We can calculate that. We just saw that for between, we can use that with point charges and all of that kind of stuff. That definition we just got tells you the exact value. But what's even more useful, honestly, is the electric potential difference or the change in electric potential, otherwise known as delta V. You probably know this as voltage. And if we're going to have to look at electric potential from the point of view of charge arrangements um, it, to create these electric fields that are doing the storage of the energy. So the first is going to be due to a point charge creating the field. And that's actually really straightforward. V is kq over r. If instead we take two plates and have them be parallel to each other and have them charged so that one plate's positive and the other plate is negative, we can say that the difference in electric potential between the two plates, or voltage, is just equal to the amount of the electric field in between them multiplied by the distance separating them. With that, you can go ahead and work on numbers 25 through 28.